Okay, hi everyone. I'm trying something new this month as usual. I'm taking part in this challenge for leetcode, and for today's challenge, I've already done it, but I just want to show you what I did. So the question is that we should detect capital. So we're interested in finding, given a word, you need to judge whether the usage of capitals in it is right or not. And they define the usage of capitals in a word to be right when one of the following cases hold. First is all letters in this word are capitals, like USA, or all letters in this word are not capitals, like leet code. And the third one is only the first letter in this word is capital, like Google. Otherwise, we define that this word doesn't use capitals in the right way. So that means that you return false. So what I just did was that I just had to make good use of what they had written there, the name of the function here. So once we have the name of the function, which is detect capital, they wrote it in a class, but I just want mine in a Python function. So the idea is that we want to ensure that all letters in the word are capitals, like USA. So first of all, the if word is dots upper, that means if this is true, or all letters in this word are not capitals, that's they are all small letters. So we can have all word is dots lower. And the third one is that only the first letter in this word is capital, like Google. So we have the first word as capital and the rest are small letters. So we can have all, but this time around I'm putting this in brackets to have the word. That's the first letter here is capital. And we expect that the rest of the words that's from the first word to the rest should be what? Lower. So it's lower. Sorry, it's lower, not here. All right, so we have this. So what do we want? We want to return true. Otherwise, else, we return what? False. So that's basically it. So let's try to see if this actually works. So if you want to see this works, I'm giving it a word like USA, and it's true because the idea is that input, for instance, we have USA is true. So let's try the word flag like they've given us here. So if we try flag, what do we get? False. What is it supposed to return? False. And that's right, because we expect that the first is F, but then the rest of the words are a mixture of small and uppercase words. So basically this is the solution for the first day detecting capital. I hope you find this useful. If you enjoy this, please make sure to follow and like my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye.